possible upgrade if you take it to Honda Chiswick and they give you a Blade SP car.
Thank you all. See you later, Sam. Thank you.
On track, now we gon' way up. Don't be used as easy as a layup. Fucking late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip.
2018 12 raftu, który poszły tu spać.
So this is how it goes. Another day is a shot. Yo! Welcome, G.
What's up?
The story of his life.
Yeah. 602 miles.
So where are we?
FWR.
Yeah.
That's where we get all this stuff done here. Welding and stuff. Dr. Charlie is working on leading. I think Charlie's going to be very happy when we turn on the bike. The pipes going to go down.
The best possible upgrade is if you take it to Honda Chiswick and they give you a Blade SP carbon and they give you a good price on this. That's my advice. But if you really want to be one of them, what did you call them? R1 gang. Yeah, no, they're nice bikes. Do they do them for men?
Do them for men? Well, clearly Bob doesn't like R1.
No, I had one in 15,
Yeah.
it was good.
Yeah.
It was good and it didn't blow up like they most do.
You had R1M.
Yeah, I had one in 2015, it was good. Went to the launch in Mugello and Spa. Yeah, it was nice. Why did I get rid of it? I didn't get rid of it. Oh, my ex, oh, it's a long story, someone's got it. Yeah, it's a good bike.
It was my last chance to get another one.
Yeah,
They've been discontinued now. This is probably one of the last ones Yamaha made. That's the music in the background.
Yeah, so definitely as a bike, they're good bikes. They are good bikes. They make good power, these new ones. They need a few mods, like get rid of the cat. So Sexy Charlie's putting a full system on it today.
Well, he made me a promise not to sell this bike in 6 months' time.
You can't sell it within a year.
Within a year?
Within a year.
Yeah, so he refused to work on it unless I take hands on that one. I need to get these panels PPF ASAP. If anyone knows any decent place that do a PPF wrap on this, please let me know. Charlie's concentrating.
Should be alright, mate.
Is it good?
It's very good system.
It's very good,
Very good
but
system.
very fragile, my friend.
What, the Akrapovic?
The titanium. It's the difference between a pita bread and a stale pita bread.
But that's for you. I don't break stuff like you. Yeah.
My one break many times.
Yes, well, you're...
We had a tidy up. Upstairs is now tidy.
Oh, cool.
We need to work on downstairs.
Is Charlie gonna move in upstairs? Charlie? Yeah. Here's a duplex for you. Upstairs.
Yeah.
I was actually thinking of getting a couple of there.
No, I need the exhaust, please.
Full Akrapovic Evolution system, full titanium. This is gonna sound good, man. Go on then, man.
Thank you.
Oh well, we gotta open this. This one gives you, I believe, like 7 extra horsepower and nearly 10 extra torque. And this is the lightest system you can buy from Akrapovic for R1. You don't want to scratch the carbon with this one. Shit. That goes on the exhaust. And the downpipe up the bolt here. Little trolley. Oh, look at the welding. It's just like. Here's the manual for it. That's the warranty car. I think it's already voided after me chucking the box, so won't be needing this either. So according to Yamaha, this is 50% lighter than the stock exit. But I'm gonna have to do ECU remapping on it. Otherwise the engine management sign is gonna pop out on the dash. Get that done at HM Racing on Wednesday. You're not a fan of it, though?
Oh, no, I do like them, yeah. I mean, if I had the money, I'd buy one. There's your second one, right?
I have all of them till 2016. I switched theirs too.
Oh, yeah. What made you go back? Like,
I always wanted another one. It's got a lot of character, you know? A lot of memory. I learned how to write on this.
oh, okay, yeah.
He wants to be a roadman.
Oh, okay.
Times are hard, Charlie. This is a DLR kit. It turns in your running daylight into blinkers, so basically your indicators. So if you're deleting your mirrors, you can use this, and those running light, it could work as your indicator, which is kind of cool. The upgrade should be plug and play. I mean, not for me, but for Sexy Charlie. Yeah, I'll put a link in the description. If you guys want to get yourself one, go for it. It's a nice touch. Yeah, I'm not sure how much I paid for it, to be honest with you. It was like 50, 60 quid. But it comes from US, so the shipping was a bit expensive. Yo, Danny boy, your engine arrived. Super Duke 1290R. Danny had a little misfortune with his engine. He sourced this engine in UK, and Bob's gonna take it for him, I think it was on 7th of August or 9th. Yeah, so Danny, your engine is there, mate. So yeah, Bob really motivated me to buy R1M. He's been telling me for like 2 years, you should get an R1M. You should really get an R1M. Don't go for the blade. And I was like, oh, sorry mate, let me get one.
Yeah, they're all right. They'd be good with the full system, the flash and the DABS. Then it'll be nice.
Yeah. Yeah, joke aside, he always told me to go for the new blade. Him and Andrew Iron, both of them recommended that I should go for the blade, but here's the last chance to own a brand new R1M, as now it's been discontinued, and this is one of the last one that has been made. I've learned how to ride on R1, and I always want to jump back on it since I switched for the H2. Here we are. Bob is helping me to change a few things on it.
Sexy Charlie's on the ball.
What do you reckon of this system, Bob? It says
It's very good.
7 extra horsepower.
Those are
torque.
rookie numbers, mate. We'll get some
Yeah.
more out of it. Interested to see how it's going to sound. I think it's going to sound good.
Yeah, with the stock exhaust, I was concerned when I was filtering because people don't hear you coming. And I have a few people just cut me on the traffic as well.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
You need people to hear.
Next thing for this bike, you need to go to HM Racing to get a remap.
Yeah, I mean, they're nice and local for London guys. They're round the corner kind of thing. They're not in London, they're in Kent, but they are the closest to our shop. We send quite a bit of work that way. Aaron's, HM have got a good reputation, but Aaron, the new owner, has got quite a lot of experience with race bikes. His own personal bikes. He races classic bikes at TT, does some Manx, that sort of stuff. So he's a road racer.
Yeah.
But he's pretty good on the dyno. So be interesting to see what
numbers
sort
you
of
can
performance
get,
he gets out of this. There was other guys we could have used as well, but I think Aaron's pretty good for the job, and certainly within short notice. Yeah.
And once that's done, I'm off to Mallory Park next Saturday.
I took Charlie's commuter bike round there.
A coffee shop here would be good, no? Just like a corner for a coffee shop. Is that the one that you blow the engine on?
Yeah. What a headache this has been. I was offered an engine from a race team, but it was quite expensive. So I turned it down stupidly. And then my friend had the engine, he pulled it apart, said you need a cylinder head. Then he said you need a barrel.
Where did they blow up the engine on this?
When I was at Jerez in Spain, it dropped a valve, the clip for the valve detached, and basically the valve fucking went everywhere. So, destroyed the engine, wrecked the cylinder head, wrecked the barrels, one of the pistons melted. One sec, I'll show you.
Bobby's very good at blowing things up. Flipping hell, mate.
Yeah, so this has had a whole new engine build, new cylinder head, brand new valves, brand new barrel, complete refresh. So now owes me a bit of money, so we just got to tidy it up because there's a few parts that are a bit gravel rashed, and you know it's a bit of an older bike. So I'm going to keep this one, and that one over there is going to be for sale, not long.
Tiger is up for sale.
Tiger's up for sale. I've got one more race on it, and then yeah.
Oh, right, okay. And what's your name, mate?
Yeah, but this is heavy, boy. Well, compared to what we put it on. Charlie's going to put the panels on. We turn on to hear it. Can't wait. Why have you done with the bracket, Charlie?
I did think you needed a bracket last
There
time.
you go. And you didn't tell me.
No, I thought you knew what you were talking about. This keeps the seat in place.
It's done. That's a crappy line to come up with, isn't it?
There we go.
Yeah, full system on. Should turn on to hear it.
Yes.
That's it. Let's see if the bike is warm. Sounds nuts. We're going to let the bike warm up first and then do a few reps. You're going to see all this steam that is on the coating on the pipes is coming up. On the R1, you should not rev it on standby. This is just to demonstrate what the sounds like. It sounds nuts. Now we're gonna get a remap and tune a few things on it, then get on the road. Charlie, thank you very much once again. I promise I will not sell this bike at least for a year.
If you do, don't come back here to swap it all back.
Fair enough. Job's done. Till next time. Yachshemash. Sounds good now. Yeah. I'm gonna see how the spot,